How to fix automatic startup loop in Windows. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to your start button and then search for command prompt. And after that, go to run as an administrator, then simply tap on yes. Now you will have to type the following command. First, sfc/scan now. Press enter. After that, after the verification is completed, wait for it to be 100%. If it is completed, what you will have to do is type chk dsk space /f c and then colon and enter it. And after that, what you will have to do is simply select yes and done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.